I have my tube, I'm ready to go, but before we hit the water, I got to get the rules of the river. Okay, Coley, what do we bring, what do we leave behind?
On this river, we have a few rules. This is the legal size cooler for the Comal River. It is a 30-quart cooler. Do not bring any glass or styrofoam. This has to be one of these type of hard coolers.
And if we don't have a 30-quart cooler,
we
can
do rent them. We rent them here. We'd be glad to set you up with that. We have a disposable container ban, so you need to bring non-disposable objects. These are perfect Yeti cups with a good lid that you can close so that water doesn't get in the top. We really like these jugs here, kind of your tennis player jug. It's insulated, so keeps things colder longer. And also when you go through the chute in those areas, you know, the water doesn't get down in here.
You don't want to dilute your drinks.
No, not with river water, that's for sure. These are excellent. You need to bring one of these if you want to bring any kind of snacks or anything like that. You cannot bring bags. You do not want to bring something like this.
I was going to say no plastic wrappers.
No wrappers, nothing that you would normally discard.
Wait, but if I were to go like this, pull this out of the wrapper,
now
that's
you are
good
totally
to go.
fine. Yes.
Leave this behind. All right, so we're looking at here like water bottles. That's a no.
That's a no.
Styrofoam.
That's a no.
That's a no. Okay.
Anything that you're normally going to throw away, you cannot take.
Okay.
Okay. If you would throw it in the dishwasher or you would normally wash it and reuse it, it's probably a good test that you can bring that on the river.
Keep the river beautiful.
And I tell you, I was a little skeptical about this disposable container ban, but our river is beautiful and it's clean. You can see the bottom. There's no trash. It has really made a big difference in the amount of trash that has ended up in our river. This river is the only river in the world that begins and ends in the same city. And it's also the shortest river in the world.
But it does take you 3 hours to float it.
Yes, today it's taken probably about 3 hours. We're supposed to get some pretty heavy rains this weekend, which will bring up the aquifer, which feeds this river. It could go to 2 hours. That's the normal float is 2 to 2.5 hours for this river under normal conditions.
How many times have you floated the river?
I don't know.
Lost count?
I've done this 28 years, so I don't know.
I am going in.
Hey, good float. Good, happy floating.
Woohoo! Here we go! This is Float Life! I came out alone and I've literally met up with a whole lot of people and they've just said, join us. And so it's just like super cool. I'm liking the rules of the river. Like just be friends with everyone.
Mel, I got you a beer.
Hey, and it's environmentally friendly, dear.
Always. Do not bring anything that you can throw out on the river, ever.
What music do you say people should listen to on the river?
Definitely country. It's just the vibe. Country music vibe.
First time,
Yeah.
all right. So
I like it. It's fun.
what would be your official review of tubing?
I would come back. I think it's fun. And right now it's like super peaceful because there's not a lot of people, which I think is good.
It's relaxing. It's like a thing that you can relax and do on the water, and it's so hot here. And there's like, you don't want to be outside of the water at all. Like, there's nothing else I'd want to do than at least be swimming somewhere.
Bye, people!
Oh my God! So make sure you always bring a reusable container. So you.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I cut you off.
You get the point. is a full 3-hour float and it's so heavenly, so awesome. Honestly, I could keep going. And even though it's really sad that the trip has come to an end, the cool thing is there is a shuttle waiting to take you home. So guys, did you love it?
The water is so calming and relaxing, but the shoots are so fun. It was a great experience. We loved it. We love the canal.